The first property of carbon is tetravalency. So carbon can form 4 bonds. So how does it can form 4 bonds is, if you observe the atomic number of carbon, so it is 6, atomic weight is 12, so it is belongs to 4th A group element. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So outermost shell is having of 4 electrons. In the ground state, so 2s2 electrons and 2p electrons can be existed like this in the ground state. In the excited state, so 2s electron jumps into the 2p orbital, then it can be existed like this. So 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So these 4 unpaired electrons can be involved in the covalent bond formation. So that's why carbon shows tetravalency, that is 4. It can form 4 bonds with other atoms. Form 4 bonds with other atoms. Example, CH4. Second one is tetrahedral shape. So carbon having valency of 4, so it can form 4 covalent bonds with other atoms. So these 4 atoms or groups can be directed towards the corners of regular tetrahedral structure. So if you take the example of CH4, so the shape of CH4 is arranged like this. So corners of regular tetrahedral can be occupied by the hydrogen atoms. So the shape will be appears like a tetrahedral. The bond angle between the bonds are 109 degrees 28 minutes. Third one is multiple bonds. Carbon can form single bonds, double bonds. At the same time, triple bonds can also be formed, and double bonds at both sides can also be formed. So like this, carbon form single bonds and multiple bonds. Multiple bonds means, so more than one bond is present between two atoms. More than one bond is present between two atoms, so that is called multiple bond. If one bond is present between two atoms, this is a single bond. If two bonds are present between two carbon atoms, this is called double bond. If 3 bonds are between carbon atoms, is called triple bond. So these double and triple bond is called as multiple bonds.